Ever wonder why you get hiccups when you eat too fast? It's more than just an inconvenience. When you rush your meals, you're swallowing excess air along with your food. That air irritates your diaphragm, the muscle that controls breathing, causing it to spasm. Hello, hiccups. But there's more. Eating too quickly can also trigger your vagus nerve, which plays a role in digestion and connects to your diaphragm, adding to the hiccup problem. To avoid hiccups, slow down. Take smaller bites, chew thoroughly, and sip water in between. It's not just about comfort. It can help your digestion, too. So, next time you're tempted to speed through a meal, remember, your body needs a little time to keep things running smoothly. Want more health tips like this? Hit that follow button for more.